Class 12th NCERT exercise 7.1 question number 6 is written over here. Find the integral of 4 e to the power 3x plus 1, right? So how to do it? Let I is equal to 4 e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. This can be written as 4 e to the power 3x dx plus 1 dx, and this also can be written as 4 into e to the power 3x dx plus 1 dx. And now integral of e to the power 3x is e to the power 3x upon 3 plus integral of 1 is x and then c. So this is our answer, right? Now move to the second question. Now move to the second question, which is written over here. Find the integral of x square in bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. How to find out, right? So what we have to do first, let I is equal to x square 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. This can also written as x square, open the bracket, x square minus x square into 1 upon x square dx, and if we distribute it, we will get x square dx minus x square will be cancelled out and we will get 1, so 1 dx. And what is the integral of x square? So just apply the formula of integral of x to the power n. X to the power n, integral of x to the power n says x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That means 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, and integral of 1 is x and constant of integration. So finally we will get x to the power 3 upon 3 minus x plus c. So this is the answer, correct? Now move to the next question. The next question is written over here. Find the integral of ax square plus bx plus c dx, right? So how to find out? Let us say I is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, right? Now if we distribute it, we will get ax square dx plus integral of bx dx plus c times of 1 dx. So finally we will get a times of x square dx plus b times of x dx plus c times of 1 dx. Now integrate it. A x cube by 3 plus b x square by 2 plus c into x plus c. C is already present, so we can apply the method of constant of integration as c1, right? So what we get finally, ax cube upon 3 plus bx square plus 2 plus cx plus c1. So this is the solution for question number 8. Right. So this chapter is very much important. Right? This chapter is very much important. So now move to the next question. So next question is, find the integral of 2x square plus ex dx. How to find out? I is equal to 2x square plus ex dx. So here we can write 2x square dx plus ex dx. From here we can write 2 times of x square dx plus e to the power x dx. Now apply the formula. Integral of x square is nothing but x cube upon 3 plus integral of e to the power x is nothing but e to the power x plus c. Right? Always apply the constant of integration. So you will get 2x cube upon 3 plus e to the power x plus c. So this is the solution of question number 9 of exercise 7.1. Now move to the next question. Question written is, find the integral of integration in a bracket under root x minus 1 upon under root x whole square dx. How to do it? How to do it? Just write I is equal to under root x minus 1 upon under root x. Now open the bracket, right? So this is nothing but the a minus b whole square. So what is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So we can write over here under root x whole square plus 1 upon under root x whole square minus 2 times of under root x into 1 upon root x. So finally we will get x plus 1 upon x minus 2 dx. Right? Now distribute it, we will get x dx plus 1 upon x dx minus 2 times of 1 dx. The integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 1 upon x is log x and integration of 1x is 1 dx is x. So we will get a plus c. So this is the solution of question number 10 of exercise 7.1. Is it clear?